Hi students, I hope you're having a pleasant holiday weekend. You'll see I'm in a different room. This is my dining room. So this video is going to be a little bit shorter this week. We're going to talk about the WEX Exchange, your experiences with the Writers Exchange, what went well, and what you can work on to do even better next time. We'll talk briefly about the primary source analysis, which, as I'm sure you're aware, is coming due soon. And we will talk about the next two steps in the process, the secondary source integration and the annotated bibliography, which you will do before the secondary source integration. So let's get started. The primary source analysis is the first step in your analytical research project, and it is coming due soon. A couple of pieces of advice. Read the prompt carefully before you turn it in. You are analyzing a video of about 30 to 90 seconds. You're going to write 2 to 3 pages. Make sure you double space, type in 12-point font, and set to 1-inch margins. And just analyze using the method that you learned about in the textbook. At the end, make sure you include a few research questions that you might pursue based on your analysis. I know this kind of writing is new to many of you, so just do your best and you will be fine. We'll be building on this in future assignments. The annotated bibliography is the second step in the research process. This annotated bibliography serves two purposes. First, it introduces you to the MLA Works Cited format. And second, it allows you a nice, neat framework for evaluating research sources, ensuring that they are reliable and credible sources, and organizing them. And then the third step in the ARP process is going to be the SSI, which is the secondary source integration. You will take the secondary sources that you found and included in your annotated bibliography, and you will integrate them into your primary source analysis. So the SSI brings steps 1 and 2 together. So congratulations, you have successfully worked your way through almost one entire cycle in the Writers Exchange. As you all know, the deadlines in WEX are firm. If you miss an assignment, it will lock you out of all preceding steps. So the WEX Exchange requires you to submit an assignment. Once you submit, then you can do 3 reviews. And once you do the 3 reviews, then you can do a reflection at the end. If you do not do each step of that process, it locks you out of the next step. So it's very important that you attend to those deadlines and follow the directions precisely. There is no wiggle room with the WEX. That being said, y'all did, for the most part, a nice job. Many of you only did 1 review, so in the future, make sure you do those 3 reviews. The last step in the process is going to be writing a reflection. That reflection window is open right now, and you'll see that the WEX Guide Part 2 will walk you through what to do for that reflection. Be sure you get that in before 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday. And again, do your best.